Hi beautiful people. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you an easy home manicure process you could actually follow through and get your nails to look good. But these are how bad my nails are looking from the start and need to clear all that. So I'm using some nail remover and a cotton wool or a cotton pad, whichever you find handy, and just going to spread a bit of the remover into the cotton to clean up any nail old nail polish or just say there's some tints because you use a hair dye or something. Just want to get that off, and I'll be filing down my nails to my desired length and shape. It's actually ideal to file your nails first before you do a manicure. So you need to file it to your desired length and the shape you want, just so when you soak your nails get soft and you don't need to have to go through all the stress of getting the nail to a particular length or shape, because now they're soft and you're going to be very difficult to work with. So after the filing, not bad, huh? I'm going to use some warm water, and you need to use some warm water, not so hot or so cold, but just okay, so you could sit your fingers or your palm into it for a couple of minutes. So I let mine sit in for about 20 to 30 minutes, and don't forget to add some hand gel. So any hand gel will do, not recommended, but any good hand gel will do. And I wipe out the excess with some tissue. So I'm going to be using some cuticle remover. I'm so sorry guys, at this point my camera was blurred. I didn't know, please forgive me, but I just use the cuticle remover to help in the whole cuticle pushing process, because you need to get the cuticles to be extra soft and easy to work with, because lots of the dead cells are found there as well. So I just use a brush to gently apply, and then I go in to use first of all the plastic cuticle pusher, which is I find to be more gentle, before I go in to use the metal. It's also a cuticle pusher though. Yeah, I think so. So I use this on all 10 fingers, and then I go in to use a metal one for extra, when I want to be extra. I always want to be extra, so yeah. I go in to use the cuticle pusher here. And always remember to sanitize your tools before using it. Even though they're yours, you still need to sanitize them. So yeah, I don't know why she was up bad. What happened? My bad. So I use the curved end of the nail file to actually help clean off all the dead cells around the cuticle. So it works as a 2-in-1, especially when you're home and you don't have so many of these tools handy. You could easily work with this. And go in to use the cuticle cutter to just cut any unwanted stuff that's on the cuticle. So if you're trying to cut and it's too hard, please just don't, because it probably means it's not dead cell. Yeah. And don't forget to clean underneath your nails, because you probably be harboring so much dirt than you actually thought you would. So final step, final wash, and I use some coconut oil. Well, the coconut oil in today's tutorial is actually acting as a cuticle oil, so my hands had to go through all that kind of filing and water process. I need to get it back to be moisturized, so I use the coconut oil as my moisturizer in today's tutorial. And I go in to use a nail hardener. You could use a nail polish, a gel polish, anything you find like you want to use on your nails right after doing the whole manicure, just to kind of create that beauty, and you're good to go. Don't forget to use some hand cream. Gently massage that into your palms, and yeah, you're virtually done with the tutorial. Like, that's all you need. And this is how beautiful my nails look after the manicure. So beautiful, so beautiful. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like. Bye.